Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove hidden data from a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open one PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor, select File option, and here you will find this open option, open from computer, cloud or at place. I have already opened my PDF file. Now select this Protect option, and here you will find this Hidden Data option. Click on this down arrow. And this is remove hidden information option. Click here and see this metadata, file attachment, bookmark, from field. All of this hidden data will remove. Now select OK and save as PDF file and rename it. Save and see this. A new fresh PDF file now created and there is no hidden data. Select file option and this properties. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and